Good morning, students. Welcome back to English online classes. Today, again, I am with you with a new topic, that is vocabulary. Vocabulary plays a vital role in any language. The more word a person knows, the less they are. Today, I am going to explain the words that are made by using a suffix in to make them opposite. To find out the opposite of a particular word, we can add in prefix. Let us start. The first one is invincible. Invincible means unbeaten. Means a person who cannot be beaten, who cannot be defeated, is known as invincible. It is an adjective and in has been used as suffix before it. So invincible means a person who cannot be defeated. Second one is indispensable. Dispense with means to manage. If we can manage without having something, we can say that we can dispense with that particular thing. So indispensable is unmanageable, means the thing by which we cannot manage ourselves, means the absence of that particular thing creates a chaos for us and we cannot manage without that. That is indispensable. Third one is inevitable. Inevitable means unavoidable. That means something is sure to come in our life that cannot be avoided. That is inevitable. We can give an example as death is inevitable. It is sure that it will come in everybody's life. Next one is infeasible. The root word is feasible here. Feasible means practical. Infeasible means the thing that is not practical. We can say that is impractical, that is infeasible. Next one is inconspicuous. Conspicuous is an adjective that is used to show a thing that is visible. We can use it for the personality of a person who is very honest and he is famous for his qualities. That is also conspicuous, but inconspicuous means not visible, that cannot be seen easily. Next is infallible. Infallible means unmistaken. The person who never commits a mistake is known as infallible. Next one is indelible. Indelible is an important word. It means unerasable. Means the thing that cannot be erased is known as indelible. We can say the impact of good things is indelible on everybody's mind. Next one is inedible. Edible means fit to eat. Means inedible means the thing that is not fit to be eaten. That is called inedible. Next is inaudible. Inaudible means that cannot be heard. The thing that cannot be heard is known as inaudible. Means if a person is speaking and we are not able to listen to him, that is inaudible. Next one is inconvenience. Inconvenience means discomfort. When a thing is not comfortable for us, that is called inconvenience. Next one is inadequate. Adequate means sufficient. If the thing is sufficient to us, that is adequate, but by adding in prefix before it, it becomes insufficient. The thing that is not sufficient, that is, we can say, we can feel shortage of a thing, that is inadequate. And next one is insensible. Who lacks sense. A person who lacks sense is called insensible. Means a person who is not understandable, who is actually is not able to understand the things, he is called insensible. Next is insensitive. Insensitive means a cruel person, a person who doesn't get affected by seeing a person in trouble, that is known as insensitive or cruel. Next is invariably. Invariably means completely. When we read a chapter completely, we can say invariably also or thoroughly also. Next one is insufficient. It has been explained earlier also. Insufficient means when something is in meager amount. Meager means very less. So insufficient means meager. Next one is inappropriate. The thing that is not apt, that is not suitable, that is not correct, that is not right, can be said to inappropriate. Next one is invisible. Unable to be seen. The thing that cannot be seen or the person who cannot be seen can be called invisible. If we say that he is invisible, that means nobody can see him. Next one is incredible. Incredible means remarkable. Credible means the thing that can be trusted on. Incredible means the thing that cannot be trusted on. But incredible word is used positively, and we can say if a thing is remarkable, if a thing is very, very good, very fine, that then we can say the thing is incredible. Invulnerable. Vulnerable means harm, the thing that can be harmed easily, but invulnerable means unable to be harmed. If a thing is not able to be harmed, that is called invulnerable. Next one is inauspicious. Inauspicious we have heard many times at on the auspicious occasion. If we add in, then it becomes less important. The thing that is not important is called as inauspicious. Second one is incongruous. Congruous means if something is in order, in coherent order, we can say that is congruous, but incongruous means unmatched. The thing, when the things are not matched accordingly, that is incongruous. Next one is ingratitude. Gratitude means to show thankfulness towards a person who has helped us in any way, but ingratitude means unthankfulness. When a person is not able to show thanks or thankfulness towards somebody who has done good for him, that the situation can be called, or the person can be called, that he is an ingratitude person. Next one is inaccessible. Inaccessible means unreachable. The place where no one can reach is inaccessible. Next is inaccurate. The thing that is not accurate is called inaccurate. They are simple words and I think no need to explain them. Indiscipline, the one who is not showing discipline is called indisciplined student. Inactive, one who is not active. Next is incredulous. Credulous is an adjective that is used for a person who is easily persuaded, who can be easily persuaded. And incredulous means one who cannot be easily persuaded. Insane means who is not in senses. For madness we can say insane. Inelegant, one who is not elegant, who is unskilled, who is not able to do anything skillfully. Invaluable. Invaluable means the thing which is invaluable, means very costly. We can say if a thing is costly or having no value, or that invaluable means priceless, the thing having no price. Incompetent means the person who cannot take part in any competition, who is not adroit, who is not skilled. That indecent, the thing that is not decent, that is not in proper order, that is called indecent. Incorrect, that is not correct. And indirect, that is not direct. Now these words you can see on the screen of your mobile phone. In this line, these words are the words that are very important, but no prefix has been added to them. They are having in their root formation. The first one is indigenous. Indigenous means if a thing is made in our own country, that is indigenous. Inclination, if we have some natural tendency of doing something our own, that is inclination. Next one is indulgence. Indulgence means involvement. Involvement. Interrupt. Interrupt means to disturb. Then indignation is used to show fury, means when a person is in anger, that is called indignation. Intermittent, when a thing happens after an interval, that doesn't carry on continuously, that means intermittent. Insidious means very harmful, the thing that spreads gradually but very harmful, that is called insidious. Insipid is used for indifferent. Indifferent means when a person is having no interest in doing something, that is called insipid, and it has been asked in a competitive exam also. Inclement is very bad. Very bad. It is used to show weather. Very bad. Inclement. Indolent means if a person is lazy or sluggish, we can say sluggish. That is indolent. Intimacy is used to show closeness. Closeness between two persons. Insomnia means sleeplessness. Insomnia means sleeplessness. When a person is not able to have proper sleep, that is insomnia. And incessant means continuously. When something happens continuously, that is incessant, without a pause. I hope this video will help you to enhance your vocabulary, and you will be able to use them according to the situation you find yourself in. I hope you will continue watching my video and keep learning, keep watching, and like and subscribe if you think it deserves. Thank you very much for watching.